Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I want to show you guys how to draw Beep from Storybots. So to draw Beep, we're going to begin with her eye. So starting right here, I'm just going to make a nice big circle like this. And then I'm going to make another circle, but I'm going to start it right on top of here. And I'm going to make another circle that just is a little bit bigger and comes right to here. Now, inside of here, I'm going to make another big circle, and then another one right over here. Then I'm going to add a circle inside of each one, and then just color in the rest of it. Now, I want to make her face. So, I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to draw a line that just kind of curves down. And then I'm going to curve it across in like a big smiley shape. Then I'm going to draw a line that goes up, and I'm going to curve it down to this eye. Now, starting right here, I'm going to just draw a line that's just going to kind of curve down, and then it's going to come back like this for the mouth. Then starting here, I'm going to draw a straight line down, and then another straight line down right here. Then I'm going to make a little curved line that goes right across to here. Now, on her body, she's got this little kind of rectangle pattern. So I'm going to put a little bit of a curve on it. So I'm going to draw just a really slight curve on here, and then a slight curve down here. And then I'm just going to connect it with two straight lines. And then one more right in the middle. Now for the legs, I'm going to draw two lines that go down. They're going to be really close together. And then two more lines over here, really close together. And then I'm just going to put a circle on the end of each one. Now for the arms. So just kind of like how I did with the legs, I'm going to draw two long lines, and I'm going to keep them really close together so they look really skinny. Then connect them. And at the end, I'm going to draw a line that just kind of curves up and then comes down. And then another one that just kind of curves up and then goes right down to there. I want to do the same thing over here, so I'm just going to draw two lines that go out, keep them really close together. Line that just kind of curves up and comes down. And then another line that just kind of curves out and then comes down. Now the last thing on here are the eyebrows. So I'm just going to make a straight line here and then a straight line here. Two lines that go up on each end. And then I'm going to connect them with a curve on top. And there you go. There is your drawing of Beep. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.